Hey guys, this is Max. Max. Oh, don't wait. Don't weigh my foot. I'm petting him so he wants to stay. Well, yeah, sorry. I'm like repositioning because he is a big boy. Apparently, we bought him at a pet shop. Now, here is Junior, okay? He was found in an animal shelter. There's a difference between animal shelter pets and pet store pets. One, pet store pets apparently are fluffier. But we still don't know about his personality due to him being new. If you want lazy or funny, dumb, but funny, okay, cats, highly recommend you go with the animal shelter pets. Plus, they need love. Come on, man, look at them. They're the most friendliest things. They want you to pet them. These you have to pet. The pet store ones, you have to pet them to stop them. See? Surprisingly, we've gotten cats that. Oh, thank you, Max, for currently presenting yourself. By the way, I'm not gonna. He's like a mixture of a tuxedo cat to me. Like he looks like he would play piano, guys. Cause one, he basically, look, he's like wearing the suit. He's got the, like gloves and stuff. Oh, he wants me to pet him still. He's purring. If you can't hear him, guys, he is purring. I'm currently letting him go to where he wants because he still needs to get readjusted. Oh, there's Julius, his arch rival. They appear to not like each other. I don't know what's with my dad, but he really likes getting the big boys. Like, seriously. Really? I won't say my dad's name, or my mother's, or my grandma's. I won't, and if I did say my name before in the past video, well then you know my name. But, and also, real quick, guys, or anyone who actually knows my real name, who, like, I know personally, that isn't, like, a random viewer watching, like, most likely, there's at least one person I know for a fact. Most of my friends are people who actually I know. Ooh, yeah, he gives you, like, a warning. He doesn't want to be pet, and then he lets you know when he wants to be pet again. I like how he does, he's a gentleman.